Hello and welcome to How to Play Zingo, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the board game Zingo. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 to 6 players. To play, you will need the Zingo game. The red zinger is placed into the middle of the players. The zinger is opened and the yellow tiles are loaded into the zinger. Each player will take a Zingo card. The cards have 2 sides. The green side is for a less competitive game. The red side is for a more competitive game. The object of the game is to be the first player to cover all 9 spots on their board and announce Zingo. A spot on the board is covered with a tile that has a matching image. Tiles will come out of the zinger, and the first player to call the image name gets the tile. A player will slide the zinger to reveal 2 tiles. Players will call out the image name for a tile if it matches an image from their board. Here, player 1 and 2 have a kite. Player 1 calls out kite first and takes the tile. Player 3 calls out cake and takes the cake tile. The zinger is slid again to show 2 new tiles. The first player to call out the image name will take the tile. If a tile is shown that no player needs, the tile will be put back into the zinger through the open slot at the top of the zinger. Skipping ahead to the end of a round, player 2 calls out foot and fills the last open space on their card. Player 2 announces Zingo and wins this game. That wraps up How to Play Zingo. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.